one of the best hosting for your e-commerce store and learning site. Let's you started a video tutorial website like YouTube, and suddenly you got a high traffic with your traditional hosting. What will happen? Your website will crash. With Rapid Cloud, it is a matter. It has auto scaling features. It will easily handle your high peak. But here is one challenge when it comes to the e-commerce site, or whether it is online. It's a learning tutorial site where the millions of users occurs every day. Whether your hosting plan you're choosing, or you're hosting a site, if you're not caring about, you'll lose your sales and customer because of the speed. So what challenging is page load time. So 1 second delay in the page load times, what happens is you lose 7% of your conversion. 7% of your conversion rate. So most of the time when there is a delay in the page load time, it will frustrate the customer. You lose your customer and sales both. So what matters is speed. Here is the Rapid Cloud hyperspeed performance even at a peak traffic. It has a 4.9. It's a 155 review. It's a Trustpilot score. When you come to the solutions, it will provide a different types of solutions. Managed hosting for WordPress, WordPress hosting, managed online community hosting, managed hosting for WooCommerce, managed LMS hosting, and managed online marketplace hosting. Let me explore the plan. 24/7 live chat, 14 days money back guarantee, 3 days trial, and free migrations. No problem. You can cancel anytime since you have a 14 days money back guarantee and you have a 3 days trial. If you want to try it for 3 days, link down below in the video description. You can follow it. So following the link in the video description, you'll get 25% off. Single site or a multiple site. If you want for the single site, if you want it for the multiple site, monthly plans and annual plans. With the annual plans, you are getting 2 months free. So here you have a startup flex at ₹99 per month, a startup 124 per month, performance is 583 per month, agency is 374 per month. So what you're getting with these plans, you can see here you have 620,000 estimated visit you are getting with these plans. So as minimum you are paying, here it is $83 per month. You are paying $990 per year. You are getting 310,000 estimated visit. Auto 18 auto scaling, supercharged PHP workers, 30 GB of SSD storage, 99.99% uptime guarantee, free rapid CDN, 60 GB of offsite backup storage, up to 3 websites you can host, free migration in case if you want to migrate, Object Case Pro, and ultimate, it's a vulnerability protections with a patch stack for one site. So patch stack you will be getting from one site. It will provide your ultimate vulnerability protection, free malware, it's insurance. Now when you come up with the another plan is a startup, you can get almost all the features. It's similar, but you will be getting 620,000 estimated visit, 73 auto scaling supercharge. It's 30 GB is a 50 GB of storage, and here you have 100 GB. It's uptime backup storage up to 5 websites, and other features are similar. Now we come to the performance and its agency. So with performance, you are getting 3 million estimated visit. With agency, you are getting 17 million plus estimated visit. You have 292 auto scaling. It's 2034 auto scaling supercharged PSP workers. You're getting 100 GB of SSD storage. You are getting a 50 plus GB of SSD storage. And here you have up to 40 websites. You can host 30 plus websites, and all the features are similar. So here it is. See all features. If you want, you can compare all the plans, which one is really suiting for you. You can go with that. So enterprise level features in every plans. So it's providing you enterprise level features in every plans. So it's a managed WordPress, security, and performance. So when you go with the performance, it's a light speed server for, it's a lightning fast speed. Boost performance with a light speed acceleration, easy plug management tools, dynamic accelerations, real-time resource. It's a intelligent, predictive resource scaling, resource auto scaling. It's MariaDB, free rapid CDN, ultimate fast database. It is a SERP protection with a resource auto scaling. It's an intelligent and predictive resource scaling. It's a fast global reach via free rapid cloud. Manage WordPress, easy WordPress version management, simplified theme management tools, easy plugins, WooCommerce. It's a caching, live chat, a smart plug, WooCommerce instant search. It's a streamlined body boss app management. It's a test challenge with easy one-click tagging. It's automated backup for peace of minds. It's a fast setup of instant WordPress installations, deployment friendly WP CLI and SSH access. Free SSL for secure connections, multi-layer protections defense. When it comes up with the security, it's a free SSL secure connection, multi-layer protective defense. It's boot protection to block the automated threat, real-time protection with the virtual patching, vulnerability detections and monitoring, advanced DDoS protections, web application firewall, and what is that? CONTINI. Okay, it's a containerized environment for isolations, 24/7 real-time monitoring for peace of mind. So all these are the different enterprise level features in every plans. It is added to every plans. Here you have, and now we'll start creating a website. So in case you guys want to do the migration, you can request the migrations, but I'm not requesting the migration. I'm just going to create a website. Okay, I want to use the plan I have already purchased. Click on continue. So the plan is startup level 1. This is the one plan I have purchased. Let me go ahead. The site names, I need to get the domain names. So let me test rapid. Test rapid cloud performance. So this is my site name. So domain names. So PER. It's a performance test. So let it be as it is. So you have an option to choose, go with the highest levels. It's add woocommerce to the site. Click on add sites. So site has been added successfully. So you can see it is creating a website. So it's a PSP 8.3. So WordPress, storage, CPU, RAM, everything. It's getting ready. And once it finishes creating, we'll go ahead. Okay, here we have the Website is ready. We have a WordPress 6.7.2 installed. It is using the storage of 4.6 GB, CPU 1%, and RAM 18%. Now here's the WP admin. We're going to click on it. It can ask us for the username or password maybe. So don't worry about the username and password. In case it asks for the username and password, once it has successfully created the website, check your email. You'll get the username and password for the WP admin on your email. So here we have, it's a admin panel where we can manage our site. So most of you guys already know to use this WordPress admin panel. It's very much user friendly and easy to use. So very first we have created a website over here. So let me visit the website. So here it is. So this is the website we have created. It's a performance test. Go back to the dashboard. You can see some of the, in case if you want to, here's the home tabs, update, post, media, page, comments, the WooCommerce, product, payments, analytics, marketings, appearances, plugin, user, tools, settings, something like elastic press, light speed case is the collapse menu. So it's very easy to use every stuff that you need in order to develop the website the way you want. So all the necessary stuff that you need to in order to make any kinds of editing work you can do is click on edit site, so you can edit it. Click on get started, and here is your website with sections you want to edit. You can edit it in a easy way. Let's say you want to edit some pictures. So you click on it, and here you have all the tools necessary. If you want to replace, you can replace. It's easy to edit the website. So whichever sections you want to edit, just click on it and you can edit it. So let me go back, and here there's some updates available over here. If you want to make updates, just select it and click on update plugins, and now it will start updating. Now still we have a payment. We have made all the necessary updates. It's a payment. So here we have a install Wow payment for free. So let me install it. So it can ask you to log into the WooCommerce. You have to log in. You have to select the business locations, and you have to fill all these details. So here you have options to fill up, and click on continue. It will take some time and set up for you. Okay guys, click on add information. You're gonna add your strip account. If you don't have one, you'll have to create ones where you can add your all the bank details and start receiving money. So let me go back to the dashboard. So I'll see from the beginning itself. So in dashboard, here you have a WooCommerce. Click on WooCommerce. Click on set up my store. Again, I am just starting my business, and click on continue. So guys, here you're gonna fill all the details and click on continue. So here you're gonna see all this. So if you don't want, you're gonna uncheck the box as per the necessity, and then click on continue. So you have all the three options right over here together. So WooCommerce is the product and payments. So I told you about the payments. Here's about the product. If you want to create a new products, so recently we set up the WooCommerce store. Now you can just start customizing, make all the necessary changes if you want to make to this WooCommerce store. And here you have order. You can manage the order, customers, coupons, and along with that you can create coupons over here if you want to create. So along with all this, here you have a settings. In settings you can make all the necessary changes with respect to currency, so multi-currency. So you can add or remove the currency. Here you have advanced, and where you can make all the necessary changes, like checkout endpoints, page setups, account endpoints, all the necessary things that you want to make changes to as per your need. So site visibility, integrations, emails, account privacy. Here you have a payment. It's a wow payment, direct bank transfer. It's a check payment or cash on delivery. You can enable, you can finish all the setups as per the availability. And here you have shipping, and if you want you can delete. If you want to add any zones, you can add over here. Here you have the product. Any changes you want to make to this shop page, you can make. So general sections, if you want to make any changes to the store addresses and all. So you can check for the status right over here for any kinds of status, like system status, tool, log, and serial action. Now here you have a product. So at first we can test it. In order to test, we can add one product. So I create one product. So I'm going to create one product. Your name to the product. Test RA rapid cloud hosting service. You can add any descriptions over here, product descriptions. It's a simple product. It's a downloadable product or virtual product. So if you're gonna mention over here, you're gonna mention the price. Let me see, I'm going to do it 400. Sales price also okay. Even you can schedule the date to 28. Sales price, okay, I'll set it to 85. So it is already okay. It is already zeros from 19 to 26. Now product sub descriptions if you want to add, and here you have, you can save draft. If you want, you can preview it. So if you want to preview it, just click on preview, and here it is. This is how it's gonna look. So descriptions, so review, currently no review, and here it is. You can add to the cart and all. So I'll click on publish. So some other necessary changes that you would like to make, you can move to trash, copy the new draft. It's a product gallery, product category. If you would like to add this product to certain category, product tags, brand, and here you have light speed options. It's a disable case, disable image, lazy load. It's a disable VPI. Whatever changes if you want to make, you can make over here. So Google for WooCommerce. So if you want to set up, you can check the you can click on the complete setup button to complete the setup to get the product listed in the Google for free. So if you do this setup, your product will be listed for free in the Google. Now once you have created the product, we can directly view the product from here. Here we can add the product to the cart. Click on add to cart, and finally we can go to the cart. So I've added it thrice, and here we can just go to checkout and go with the payment process in order to finish the payment and purchase of the product. So let me go back to the dashboard, and here you have, so WooCommerce, product, and payment. All three different setups, you can do it very easily. It's so easy to do the payment setup, very so easy to create the product, and so easy to manage this WooCommerce store. So all you have over here in one place: to home, order, it's customers, coupons, report. Even you can look at the report if you want. So all the report you're gonna see right over here. So all the order, customers, and even stocks. So easy to manage the WooCommerce stores, products, and payments in this. It's very easy over this dashboards in Rapid Cloud. Now we give one look at this now. So here it is. If you want to look at the details, website stat. So here it is. You can see the traffic on your website, traffic limit, inbound traffic, outbound traffic, CPU uses, RAM, local storage. You are using 5 GB used of 100 GB. It's a backup storage. You have 200 GB over here. It's startup level 1. It's a created date and all this. It's a startup level 1. You can add a custom domains, and here it is. Even you can add a stacking. So here's the WordPress. You can see WordPress version, the latest one. Roll back to the WordPress. Even you have a rollback options for the WordPress version if you want to roll back. The WooCommerce theme over here. So I gonna check this one's latest versions. Okay. Now here you have plugins. So lots of plugin active. Some of the plugins are inactive. If you want, you can. If you want to use it, you can install these plugins also from the dashboard. So here we have a dashboard. You can gonna go to the plugins. So we had a plugins over here. So tools. Here we have a plugins, and here you have all the plugins. If you want to install any plugins, click on activate to activate it. So you can see here you have all the plugins, and here you have a stats. You can see the statistics of your websites. So RAM limit, RAM uses, CPU uses and limit. So traffic limit, inbound traffic, outbound traffics, and all. Here you have a backup. You can see you can schedule the backup. The last backup performed and backup storage used. If you want to create, you can manually create the backup. Download this backup immediately. So click on it and click on create. So it will immediately download the. You can see it started creating backup. Go to settings, and here you have domains, server. You can see it's log, file access, file manager. Here you have, if you want to make any changes, if you want to add any new files to it. Security. It's a web application firewall, so do not worry about the security. It really provides you the optimal security. So far the best security it is necessary, it will provide you. So you have a PHP edge, in case if you want to clear all the keys. In case here you have cron jobs, in case if you want to migrate, you can request migrations. In case if you want to delete, click on delete sites and your site will be deleted. These actions will be immediately delete this website, including all file, database, table, and backups. Along with the backups, it will delete everything. So this is you have over here in this. So if you guys are really thinking of setting up the WooCommerce store, you're gonna try this. It's a Rapid Cloud.